Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing great, and I know there were gaps in the videos, but this thing is very short lived now, and who knows what the next video would be and where it will be shot. So today I am having a device that is bezel-less, but it don't have any type of notch. Yes, it has the pop-up selfie camera, but the device is not the OnePlus 7 Pro or the Redmi K20 Pro or the Realme X. So, what it can be? Meet the Oppo F11 Pro, a budget smartphone with a build and design same as the OnePlus 7 Pro and a price very cheaper than that. But still, at 20,000 price point, is it the best pop-up selfie smartphone out there? Do watch the full video to find out. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Now, on opening the box, firstly, we get the paper packaging, and inside that there's some paperwork along with black colored transparent case which is of good quality. Now, keeping all this paperwork aside, let's have a quick look at the device. On removing the plastic sheet, we get to see the all new F11 Pro in amazing Aurora green color. Just look at this shiny back, simply no words. Now, I will keep the device aside for a while and check the other box contents. So firstly, we get the charging adapter which supports VOOC charging of 5 volts and 4 amperes. Apart from that, we get the standard micro USB cable and a set of earphones. Now, coming to our device again, let's have a physical overview of it. On the top, we get the secondary microphone and the pop-up selfie camera. On the right side, we have the SIM slot, which is a hybrid SIM tray along with the power button. Moving to the bottom now, you still get the headphone jack, the main microphone, micro USB charging port and the speaker. And on the left side, we just have the volume rocker. So, this was the physical overview of the device. Now, let's power it up. So, I just finished setting up this device, and as you can see, this device runs on ColorOS with MIUI type screen layout but with ugly icons. Now, on going to About Phone in the settings option, we can see it's running on Android Pie, so that's a good thing. And out of the 64 GB storage, you will get around 48 GB of free storage, so lots of bloatware is also included. Now, adding the fingerprint is easy from the back side of the device, and the fingerprint response is also very decent. No worries here. Now, coming to the most important department, that is the camera. This device has a dual rear camera setup with one 48 megapixel sensor and one 5 megapixel sensor. On the front also, it has a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. The camera specs looks insane on paper, but let's look at the shots and judge real world performance. Now, on looking at the photos, you can clearly see that day photos are sharp and crisp with very little saturation, and the colors are also not overexposed. The contrast is somewhat high in some photos, but it doesn't affect much to this device in daylight despite of some minor light in the photos. Indoors also the device clicks decently and doesn't blur the image. Now, coming to the front camera, the pop-up selfie camera really excels in it with very crisp, sharp selfies. No doubt on Oppo's front camera capabilities. So guys, this is all about the Oppo F11 Pro, the budget modern looking device. Now if we compare the features to price ratio, then definitely it is a good buy. The screen quality is nice, the build is also very sturdy, and the cameras can click very decent photos. So, if you are planning to buy a sub 20,000 smartphone, then definitely it is a very competitive choice. But these are all my opinions. What do you all think about this smartphone? You do tell me in the comment section below. Rest. I hope you like this video and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting videos like this in the future also. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one.